When you are working in a profession and giving any certification exam, which is at a global level like CFA or FRM, one of the major challenges that you might face as a working professional is to manage your time. You've got a task requiring 300 hours of at least preparation, but there are so many factors which are impacting your daily basis, like your work break, commute. Can you utilize them? You're likely to have a craving out of time, maybe in the early morning or during the week, to tackle it and devote it towards the exam. So overall, the students preparing with their job may face a lot of challenges. So here are the 5 major tips any working professional should consider when they are preparing for the exam. The first one, smart study material handouts. Get your hands on study material that gets to the point. Get your stuff covered in a limited number of time. Second, video lessons while you're commuting. If you're getting an opportunity to go through the videos, watch the video lecture while you're traveling for your job. Seeing things visually helps, but it turns your travel time into more focused approach. Third, set clear work study boundary. Draw a line between when you're going to work and when you're going to study. Don't overload yourself. Prioritize based on what is required right now. Fourth, realistic goal. Break down your entire big task into smaller goals. It makes the entire workload seem less overwhelming. For example, aim to finish a chunk of your chapter material every single week. Fifth, build a study support system. Consider joining a study group or getting a coach. Having people around you who understand the exam and who can guide you and motivate you is going to be a very, very important factor for you to clear the exam. I hope this video helps you and motivates you to go for the exam in a better way.